In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around an image in Mailchimp. It's a straightforward process and we'll walk through it step by step to ensure everything is clear and simple. Whether you're putting together a stunning newsletter or a promotional email, you'll find this technique handy when you want to visually engage your audience. Let's get started by logging into your Mailchimp account. If you're already familiar with the platform, you'll know that it's quite intuitive. Once you're logged in, head over to the campaigns section. Here, you will have the option to create a new campaign or edit an existing one. For this guide, feel free to choose whichever option works best for you, whether it's starting fresh with an idea in your head or tweaking something you've already begun working on. Next, when you're setting up your campaign, choose the email option. You can either select a pre-existing template or let your creativity run wild by starting with a blank canvas. Templates can be a great time saver, especially if you have a go-to design, but starting from scratch allows for complete customization. Now once you're in the email builder, look for the text block. You can easily drag and drop this into your layout where you think it fits best. Inside that text block, click to place your cursor exactly where you'd like your image to appear. The next step is to look at the text editor toolbar. You should spot an icon that looks like a picture. Clicking on this will allow you to insert an image. You have two choices here. You can either upload a new image if you have one in mind, or select from your content studio if you already have media available. Once your image is in place, take a moment to resize it. Proper sizing ensures that your image complements the text and doesn't overpower the message you're trying to convey. To achieve the wraparound effect, click on your image and choose an alignment option. You can opt for left or right depending on what best suits your layout. This will allow the text to flow naturally around the image, creating an integrated and aesthetically pleasing result. For the finishing touch, use the padding options in the toolbar. Adding appropriate spacing ensures that your text isn't jammed against the image and maintains a clean, professional appearance. After you're satisfied with the entire layout, click Save and Close to preserve your changes. Before sending it out to your audience, it might be worth using the preview mode or sending a test email to see exactly how it looks. This is a great opportunity to catch any last minute adjustments that need to be made. And there you have it. You're ready to captivate your audience with beautifully wrapped text around images in your Mailchimp emails. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.